Hello students, today we will discuss the digestion of food in the stomach and small intestine. In the previous video we have seen how food is digested in the mouth. So let us start the digestion of food in the stomach. The inner wall of the stomach releases gastric juice. Gastric juice contains water, hydrochloric acid, pepsin which is an enzyme, and renin which is also an enzyme. Water helps these other contents to perform their functions. Let us see their functions one by one. First, hydrochloric acid. It kills harmful bacteria which enters along with the food. Hydrochloric acid also makes the medium acidic to activate pepsin. Pepsin, this enzyme, can act only in the acidic medium. So, hydrochloric acid helps pepsin to perform its function. What is the function of pepsin? Pepsin breaks down the large protein molecules into smaller protein molecules called proteoses and peptones. Proteins in the presence of pepsin gets converted to proteoses and peptones. Renin, what is its function? Renin, this enzyme changes the milk protein called casein into curd. Casein in the presence of renin gets converted into insoluble curd called para-casein. In the stomach, the food is changed into a pulp-like thick paste called chyme. This chyme from the stomach moves to the small intestine. We know that intestine is divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. We will discuss how the food is digested in these three parts. Digestion in duodenum. Duodenum gets secretion from two glands, bile from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. That's why its name is duodenum, because it receives two secretions. Duo means two. So it gets bile from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. What is the function of bile? Let us see. Bile is made in liver and stored in gallbladder. You can see this is gallbladder. It is stored in gallbladder. It helps in the breakdown of large fat molecules into tiny droplets so that enzymes can easily act on them. This process of breaking down of large fat globules into tiny droplets is called emulsification of fats. Bile also contains sodium bicarbonate, which makes the medium alkaline to activate the enzymes of pancreatic juice. Bile helps in the activation of the enzymes of pancreatic juice. The enzymes are trypsin, amylase and lipase. Let us see the functions of all these enzymes of pancreatic juice. Trypsin helps in the breakdown of proteins, proteoses and peptones into smaller molecules called polypeptides. Amylase helps undigested starch to get converted into maltose, and lipase helps in breakdown of fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol. The food then moves from duodenum to jejunum and from jejunum to ileum. In the jejunum, absorption of nutrients takes place and no digestion takes place in jejunum. So let us see the digestion food in ileum. In the ileum, a juice called intestinal juice is secreted. This juice contains four enzymes: eripsin, maltase, sucrase and lactase. These enzymes help in the digestion of proteins and carbohydrates. Eripsin helps in the digestion of proteins. Eripsin converts peptones and peptides into smaller molecules of proteins, that is called amino acids. Maltase, lactase and sucrase. These three enzymes help in the breakdown of complex molecules of carbohydrates into smaller molecules of carbohydrate. Let us see how. Maltase converts maltose into glucose. Sucrase converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. And lactase converts lactose, which is a milk carbohydrate, into glucose and galactose. Thus, the digestion of carbohydrate and proteins and fats is completed in the small intestine. Students, you will go through the chapter up to where I have talked.